Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info viewers. In front of me, Redmi A1 Plus device, and I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted photos and videos from the recycle bin on this Redmi A1 Plus device. So to do it, you just need to open the gallery application. I have it here, and for example, I will delete this kitten from my gallery. So remove, great. Now to recover removed photos from recycle bin, click albums, click trash bin. Here find the photo you want to recover and click on this button, not on the trash button, but click on this round button. If you will remove it from the recycle bin, your photo will be permanently deleted. So photos, here you will see, here is my kitten. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.